Before we start packing Jack up for university, we wanted to clear out anything he doesn't need anymore. He keeps his room pretty organized, so we're mostly tackling clothes he doesn't want to take with him and his nightstand, which he uses as a glorified garbage can. Jack joins me for this one, so there's plenty of sarcasm, banter, and a pretty good glimpse into our family dynamic. Let's get started.
Okay, the shoe boxes? Can we get rid of the shoe boxes?
Yes.
Yes.
The ones you bought me for this year.
What?
Are you high?
Those were Nikes and they were custom.
They were Jordans and they weren't custom.
Are those the ones you've been wearing all along?
No. I wore them for football.
What happened to the custom ones?
Oh.
What?
Oh.
What?
Oh.
I'm being so for real.
I used these for tackle football.
You didn't use your custom ones? The other red and white ones.
I used those for like practices and for flag.
Okay, well I can't see your feet when I'm in the stands. I didn't remember buying those ones.
You didn't remember buying them.
No.
Oh.
Alright, we'll go through this quick. Yay or nay?
Yay. 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 Well, that'll go in the memory bin probably.
Memory bin? You're not going to take it to school with you?
No.
Okay. Or do you want it out for, I guess you're going to be here for a couple more weeks. Okay.
Yay. Nay.
What's this one?
It's just the blue one there at the start, but black. But
What's wrong with it?
I don't want to wear I don't like wearing just fully black hoodies because they're just like, yeah.
Is it Lululemon?
Yeah.
Will you?
I think so.
Will you never wear it, or?
I haven't worn it in like a long time.
No? What if we got you some non-black pants?
I have other black hoodies that I wear more than that.
Okay. Put it in the bag.
No.
Why not?
Because if I'm wearing something like that, I'd prefer it to have a hood, and also it's just another like plain black thing. What?
I like that one.
Okay.
No.
How old is that?
I don't know. Okay, he's gonna pick from the never-ending pile of Lululemon joggers. Just pick a couple of those and get rid of the rest. A couple more pairs of pants. These are Under Armour leggings for.
I haven't worn those in a while.
Do you want to get rid of them or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What are these?
Oh yeah, get rid of those.
Old Navy?
Those are super old.
Super old. It's been a while since we've done this. I'm not going to bother fixing the hangers since they're all going to come off here in the next couple weeks anyways, and then all of these jeans.
Yeah.
Oh. There. He's got a ton of jeans here that he doesn't really wear.
Well, I don't know if any of them fit. So I can try all of them on and see which ones do.
Okay, so we've got 2 big armfuls of jeans here he's going to try on and see which ones he wants. Where are your new ones that haven't been hemmed yet? They're down here?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, right there. Okay.
And there's one still in the plastic.
Yeah, we need to take those in. Okay. I would say hold on to this because you're probably going to want to put it back on your
Or are we just taking this? Like, am I just taking that?
That's the plan. This is the lid to his laundry basket, and that's what he's taking to school with him. That way, like, you don't have to show off your dirty laundry to the whole floor. Your Bucky's party hats.
Memory bin.
Memory bin. Probably get rid of the hats for the schools you didn't go to. Okay. There's another, what's this?
Football pants.
Okay.
So, those can go. Donate that.
What?
Donate the girdle.
The girdle. Your hot dog costume?
Keep that.
Hot dog? You gonna take that away to school with you? Ooh! You're probably gonna have like...
Actually, yeah.
You gonna take that with you?
Yeah. Why not?
More football
pants? Yeah.
We're over.
Yeah.
No more glory days.
Yeah.
What's that? Tape?
Old belt, and get rid of that.
Hmm. Keep your bay hat.
Yeah. That's empty.
That's empty. Throw it out in the hall. What about the switch box?
Keep that probably.
Why?
Because if I need to sell the Switch or something like that.
You're gonna sell gifts?
Probably not, but...
I think get rid of it. I don't think you need it.
Mm-hmm.
You're not gonna haul that with you to school.
Yep.
Okay, so his closet's done. We've got two bags full of stuff, a few things that can't be fixed or are kind of gross and shouldn't be donated, a bunch of shoe boxes, some stuff for his memory bin, and a whole big pile of stuff to try on. So we will do that later. Okay. So his bookcase here, as you can see, he's an avid reader. Lol. He said he went through it recently, but I'm just gonna get him to take a quick pass through it here and see if there's anything he wants to pack up. Maybe some of the stuff that he wants to take with him. Like this caricature of him and his girlfriend. Do you want to frame that and take it with you to school?
Yeah.
Okay, so put that aside. And that, yeah. So there's nothing here you want to get rid of?
Not on that top one though.
That's not garbage.
That's new.
That's our birthday cake. You good with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
That can go.
Okay.
It's the mouse that came with my laptop.
Yeah.
It just kind of sucks. There's stuff in there.
Okay. You keep those. You want to pack that into a memory bin, or do you want to take it with you?
Well, what am I going to use it for? Like, I have nothing that matches.
All this stuff is keep. All of your Nintendo stuff. Okay, everything here is good. You're standing, and then so nothing else here. Slinky.
I love that thing.
Okay. Your binder. Do you want to get rid of that? Your high school binder.
Yeah.
I don't think you need that anymore. Is there anything in here you want to?
No, it's all.
That's all garbage.
It's all empty.
Okay. And your backpack from downstairs needs to go still too. Okay, now down here. What's all this crap in the corner here between your desk and your bookcase?
The drone.
Huh?
The drone.
The drone that I bought you that you've literally never
For
used?
Easter. It was an Easter drone.
It was an Easter drone.
It's been windy every time. Like, every time I've remembered I have it, it's been, like, super windy.
Okay.
It's not very windy today.
It's not.
Take one.
That we're going to need, probably.
Mm-hmm. And then VR and
Is that your old laptop?
old laptop.
Old laptop. Is there stuff you need to wipe off of it?
No.
No? Is it just garbage?
On it, yeah.
Okay, so we'll recycle. When's the last time you used that VR headset?
Been a while.
Been a while.
But it was free.
Sure was.
And then charger for
The charger for the laptop? Yeah, that can probably just go in the garbage.
Yeah. Charger for my new laptop.
Oh, you're gonna need that. You take the VR with you?
No.
No?
I don't.
Okay. He's good with everything on his desk. Do you want to go through your night table?
I think they can live without seeing my old driver's license.
No! They must know your height and your eye color. Why do you have so much deodorant? Your Lego Switchblade? Okay, come on. Jesus Christ! You've been putting on your journal?
Whenever I put that on, I do. It's just usually only like after I shower. Because then my face feels dry.
And he only showers once a week.
It's a lie.
Once every 2 weeks.
There you go.
Your hoard of pipe cleaners?
The ones I have to put there so Rosie doesn't eat them.
Do you need said hoard of pipe cleaners?
Probably not.
Check them. Move your hot dog costume.
Silence.
Move your hot dog costume.
This is garbage now.
Oh no! More clothes. More clothes. Half a bag of garbage. More garbage. All of this is garbage. Even when they say they've got nothing to get rid of, they always have stuff to get rid of.
Did not say.
I didn't say you said that. There's always crap to throw out. So I'm glad we did this before he goes off to school here now. Probably after we get back, after moving him out, I'm going to go through all the stuff he left behind and laugh a lot. No. We'll probably clean his room after he's gone. We get all this, or maybe even before we leave. Get all of his stuff out of here, get it all packed up. That's the next step, is to start packing, but I don't think we need to do that for another week or so. He's got stuff, but he doesn't have so much that we can't do it in a couple of days. So I think we'll probably just wait until right before we leave to do that. And yeah. Glad we did it?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, I guess. Okay. Finally got rid of all the shoe boxes he's been holding on to for years. Mummy's little hoarder. Oh, he's so cute. I wish you could see him. He won't let me show you. He's so cute. Anyways. We're going to get this mess cleaned up. And then we are pretty well ready to go to to start packing here in the next couple weeks. So thanks for watching. We'll see you all again soon. Thanks, everyone. Bye.